Everybody, welcome to the daily recap for Spartan Trading, day trading, August 11th, 2022. Let's take a look at what we did today. So a couple different things came into the day, a couple things on the long side. One of the best ones that we had was this laser long. Got about 436% on that one on the option side. Other options that we did today, we'll just get right into the option side first because that's really where we made our money today. We did some Airbnb, 127 calls long. We took those on this little range break to the upside. And on the 127s, we got about 600% on that. We did some Airbnb as well, 130 calls. And on those, we got about, sorry guys, it's kind of not loading here. On those, we got about 283%. Weird, it's not loading up all of a sudden. LMND, we grabbed the 32 calls on that breakout as well from last day high. And on those, we got 500%. That was a nice little trade there. CVNA, we grabbed some, let's see if this comes back. There we go. I don't know what's going on there. CVNA, 60 calls. Again, on the last day range breakout, was trading above it pre-market. This morning I said let's go after the higher beta kind of squeeze type names, and those ended up being the best ones to go after intraday. So that was a nice trade there for 491%. Laser 10 calls, talked about that. Beyond, we took the 42.5 calls. Again, last day high break, 415% on those. Nice little trade. And then we had a whole bunch of other stuff intraday. Like we took this CVX, that ended up being a 100% trade at the end of the day. We had some OSTK for 200%. We had the really cheap 35 calls. I'm not sure why this data's not working all of a sudden here, guys. Fortunately, it's being weird. There we go. 35 calls for 200%, so on and so forth. Options was really great today. We swung a little bit of SPY calls overnight. One trade that didn't work, we tried to bob a roll, that didn't work, but it was profit money on that. And other than that, it was just kind of smooth sailing on the option side all day. Oh, we had some SDC for about 70% on that, $2 calls. BLNK 25 calls, 30%. NNOX, that was one that didn't work, 17 calls. And then that's pretty much it. So pretty smooth sailing on the option side. Equity, we didn't do as much, but some highlights would be the CVNA if you followed it on the equity side. Instead of grabbing calls, 7 points. Tesla, we traded that for 2 points this morning on the upside. BABA, 2.5 points this morning as well on that breakout. LMND, 2.5 points. Coin, 1 point intraday, and then BNSO shorted that for 1 point when it did get extended to the upside there. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. You guys want to come trade with us tomorrow? It is Lotto Friday. Those are the best days to trade, in my opinion, if you're an options trader especially, because that's where you look for those really high percentage movers, and it's non-stop action, usually a lot of fun. We'll see what happens going tomorrow. If you guys want to come in to chat, go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there, get access to the live stream, all the alerts for equity and options, and as well, basically entries, exits, stops, targets on everything that we're doing. You can ask me questions all throughout the day. I answer everyone's questions, or try to. I get probably to 95% of them, which is great. And then I show you guys exactly what I'm looking at from a technical standpoint, and you can obviously hear me talk to you as we're trading along. Anywho, that's it. Thanks for watching. Discord link in the bio if you want to get access to the free Discord chat, get a little bit of a sense of what we do and how we work. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Any questions, feel free to reach out, and we'll talk to you later. See ya.